If an individual misuses the corporate form to commit fraud or perpetrate an injustice, the victim can often pierce the corporate veil. This permits recovery from the individual shareholder, even though the corporation was the wrongdoer. Is the opposite process possible? In CF Trust versus First Flight, the court considered whether the suspicious flight of assets from a debtor to his limited partnership justified a reverse veil piercing. CF Trust obtained a judgment against Barrie Peterson for money owed on promissory notes that Peterson had signed. It then sought to satisfy its judgment against First Flight, a limited partnership, contending that First Flight was Peterson's alter ego. The district court found that Peterson had engaged in two schemes to avoid paying his debt to CF Trust. First, he transferred funds from other entities he controlled, including First Flight, to Birchwood Holdings Group, a corporation he wholly owned. Peterson then directed Birchwood to pay more than $2 million of Peterson's personal expenses, including mortgage and car payments, country club fees, credit card bills, and his children's college tuition. Although Peterson claimed that these payments were loan repayments, the court found that they were distributions. Second, shortly after CF Trust obtained a judgment against Peterson, he transferred half of his interest in First Flight to his eldest son, whom he then directed to take distributions and use them to pay Peterson's personal expenses. The court found that First Flight was a mere alter ego for Peterson, which he used to evade a personal obligation to CF Trust. Peterson appealed to the Fourth Circuit, which certified a question to the Virginia Supreme Court.